Why is there nowhere to set this camera? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am not in my normal setup. As you can see, I am actually in my car, and that is because today's video is going to be a little bit different. I have never filmed something like this or even done anything like this before, but I've seen these kinds of videos around and I think they're really interesting and funny to watch because it's kind of like an experience to come along with, because I have never done something like this, and also I'm just really curious to like see how it works and like if it looks good or not. So since you guys have already seen the title, you already know what we're doing, but I am at Walmart because I'm going to shop for DIY at-home lash extensions. Now, some of you I know, I like to wear eyelashes on the daily, and if I'm not wearing eyelashes, I always have mascara on, but they are a hassle to put on every day. So if I could have like lash extensions without the big price tag that come along with actual eyelash extensions, that would be pretty nice. I was actually looking into doing real eyelash extensions, but they're like really expensive, like hundreds of dollars, so I was not trying to do that. Because like if you can do them at home and like buy them at your local Walmart or Target or CVS or Walgreens and get the same kind of result for like way more than half the price, like that would be like just so much easier, better, cheaper, etc. I'm pretty sure real eyelash extensions last like a couple of weeks, but I was looking online and the ones that I saw are the Ardell like individual lashes, and I guess it's like a different type of glue that like makes it like stick on for like a week or so, I guess. But we're just gonna go in Walmart and see what they have. Okay, so they don't have the Ardell one, but they do have this Kiss one that says like lash extension kit. So it is $9. They have this other one that's Salon Perfect. Looks like this. This one's $7. These don't really look like the style that I want. They look like kind of like skinny. I want like more bold lashes, so I'm gonna go with the $9 ones from Kiss. Okay, so I'm now at a Walmart, and they actually did end up having a like DIY lash extension kit, but it wasn't the Ardell one that I was looking for. I'll put a picture right here of the one that I had in mind. I didn't really do like too much research of like all the brands and like different kinds and prices and things like that. But they didn't have the Ardell one, but they did have the two options that I showed you in the store. It comes with short and medium lash styles, I'm guessing for like the inner corner and the outer corner. It comes with a pair of tweezers and then the lash glue down here, and it also has like glue pockets, so you can put the glue on in there. And yeah, I will see you guys when I am trying them on. Okay, so we are now back home, and the first thing that I'm gonna do before I do anything is remove the mascara that I have on from this morning. Also, I don't know if this is supposed to like damage your eyelashes or anything. So the only instructions or directions on the back of the box is 3 steps, and the first one is using the tweezers, gently grip the band of one of the clusters of lashes and lift off of the tray. Number 2 is dip the band portion into lash adhesive, do not saturate. And number 3 is starting from the outer corner of the eye, place the band as close to your natural lash line as possible without getting it on your actual lashes, and repeat with additional lash clusters until you achieve desired effect. So basically, this is all up to like personal style, and like if you want like more focused on the outer corner to have like more of a cat eye, or if you want like more clustered like spider effect, if you know what I mean. But here is the lash kit once again. Okay, so this is the lash glue, and it comes in like this really weird compartment. I don't know how or what you're supposed to do with that. Okay, so the consistency of the lash glue is definitely more thick. What if this like gets in my eye and like it closes my eyelid shut forever, and then I have to like wait a week to open my eyelids? Oh my god, bro. Okay, so we're gonna try our best to like be the safest and most cautious I can. Okay, this glue literally smells like that like Loctite super glue, like that stuff that literally binds your hands together in like 10 seconds. So this is the medium length lash, and I'm just going to measure it up with my eye because I don't want to put glue on it yet, because if it looks stupid then I'm not going to be able to take it off, you know? As close to the lashes as possible. Oh. It's on. It's on. Okay, so we're going in for the second lash. I'm gonna put it more to my outer corner. Oh shoot, is that in the right place? That doesn't look right. Oh, okay. And like you can't really see where the lashes are. They look natural basically, like what I'm saying, which is what eyelash extensions are. So far they're going pretty good. So right now this is with 3 medium length ones on the outer corner compared to nothing. This tool is making it really easy to apply, so I would definitely recommend getting this. Like, and if it doesn't come with the kit, I would recommend buying it because it makes it really easy. Oh, what the? Alright. I don't know why they keep coming off because I really enjoy like the Kiss lash adhesives. I use them all the time. Like, they're really good. It's not like it's like a bad brand or anything. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. So I have trouble with my right eye watering whenever I put on false lashes. Even mascara, this eye always waters for some reason. I don't think my eye watering is like any type of allergic reaction or like something that is supposed to happen. It's just something that always happens like on the daily, so it's fine. Okay, this one's just like not sticking for some reason, so like, okay, so this eye is with 4 medium ones on the outer corner and then 1 short one on the inner corner. I didn't put any like on the very inner corner just because I'm not like that confident in like the application, like how runny the glue is. So like maybe if you've been doing this for a while and you do want to add like a little bit something to the inner corner and you feel comfortable doing that, I feel like that's something you can get used to, but since this is my first time, I'm not going to go like too OD with it. So I think it looks really natural and super pretty if it does end up staying on like an actual lash, because if these only stay on for like a day, then I could just apply like the Kiss individual lashes with like normal lash glue. Okay, so I am now done with the other side, and it definitely did go a lot smoother and quicker and easier on the side just because I knew what I was doing and I didn't really have to like sit there explaining it. So yeah, they definitely do look like lash extensions, but I feel like if my eyes were to water or like if I were to rub them, they would come off. So I don't think you would be able to shower with these, and I don't think that they would stay on for like any longer than maybe like 2 days, but that's just what I'm guessing from what they feel like and what they look like. I could be wrong, maybe they'll stay on for like more than a week, who knows. But the application went pretty smoothly, I think. So yeah, this is what it looks like after 1 use. I feel like you could get maybe like 3-4 uses out of this, but you'll have to like run into the short ones after a while. I do really like the look of these. I feel like they look like really natural, just plain lash extensions. And this is without any mascara. I'm not going to be putting on mascara because I heard with some lash extensions that you're not supposed to use mascara and you're supposed to like do certain things like using oil-free makeup remover and things like that. I don't know if that would apply for these eyelash extensions because they're not like the legitimate eyelash extensions that you would get if you went somewhere. But I'm assuming that you would still need to like stay away from mascara and all that, because if you were to put mascara on and try and remove the mascara, I feel like your extensions would just like come off. Maybe they won't even make it to tomorrow morning shower. Maybe they will come off in my sleep. Who knows? But yeah, this is what they look like. Today is Tuesday, April 30th, and I will check back with you guys tomorrow on Wednesday and see if they lasted. Okay, so I am now with Maddie, and I am in the Starbucks drive.
Update, the eyelashes fell off. Are you kidding me?
It's not even on anymore!
You don't even need to say what's going on. They already can see.
Oh my god. Okay, so basically, long story short, I'm in the Starbucks drive-thru right now, and we were gonna get food, and I was driving with my window down on the way here, and I felt like I could like see it flapping in my vision. And I was like, okay, what the heck? They're already coming off. So I literally have them sitting right here. 2 of them came off, and it was only on this side. I was not pulling on them. I wasn't rubbing my eye. My eyes weren't watering. It was literally just from the little bit of wind that was hitting me from my window being down. And 2 of them already came off on this side. This side's still intact, but like, it's only 1 o'clock. If this side came off that easy, I can guarantee you that these will not last long at all. So I'm not gonna just like rip off the other ones because like that's pointless, but I feel like if I were to tug on them a little bit, they would come off. But the point of this video is to see how long they each last. Like, so maybe like I just applied those 2 wrong, maybe, I don't know. Oh, hold on. Oh my gosh, vlog. For today, I got my venti pink drink. We're going to Subway now, though, because she doesn't like Starbucks. It's 70 degrees out right now. One of the nicest days of the week. Another lash literally came off of the same eye. Me and Maddie were just sitting here eating. I'm showing you, like, I'm not pulling on them. Like, they're literally coming off. I wasn't, like, my eyes weren't watering. They're literally just falling off throughout the day. And it's, what time is it, Manny? It's literally 1:22. And I had about maybe like 5 eyelashes, 6 eyelashes come off within the span of 20 minutes. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but like I'm literally just like blanking and doing everyday things. So like, I don't know. Also, I said earlier in the video that I would check in tomorrow, but I think they're all gonna fall off by tomorrow, if I'm being quite honest. I had 1 fall off of this side and then 3 fall off of this side, So it is now 5 o'clock and no more came off throughout the day, at least that I know of. This side is looking a lot more bare than this side, as you can see. I'm pretty sure there's only 1 more left, and I felt it like wiggling when my window was down, so I'm pretty sure this one's like about to fall off. There's still, I'm pretty sure, like maybe 2 or 3 left on this side. And we just got frozen yogurt. These would definitely not last like a week like they're supposed to, so you're probably just better off going with the individual lashes with normal glue instead of like a DIY lash extensions, because these didn't really work out. I think I'm just gonna end up taking them off tonight because they look really uneven and kind of stupid. I think I'm just gonna end off this video here. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below your favorite style of lashes, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on all of my post notifications so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. And yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.